Quick question for you. When was the last time a car upgrade actually made you excited? Not just bigger screens or another fancy color, but something that makes you think, yeah, this feels different. Well, Acura just dropped the 2026 Integra. And trust me, this one's got a few tricks up its sleeve. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we take a closer look at the cars that matter for real people like you and me. So if cars are your passion, or even if you just like knowing what's coming next, hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's dive into the all-new 2026 Acura together. All right, let's start with the upgrades you'll actually notice every day. Acura finally ditched the tiny 7-inch screen and replaced it with a 9-inch display. It's faster, cleaner, and yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard. No more cables all over the place. Inside, the dashboard trim feels fresher, and A-Spec models get extra ambient lighting. Makes night drives feel way more premium. But looks matter too, right? And the 2026 Integra isn't holding back. The A-Spec body kit adds gloss black dive planes, side spoilers, and even black 18-inch wheels. It's got that subtle aggressiveness that makes you want to turn around and look at it after you park. And the colors? Oh man! Acura introduced Double Apex Blue Pearl, Solar Silver Metallic, and Urban Gray Pearl. Two of these even come with a color-matched grille. Small detail? Yes, but details are what make this refresh stand out. Now, here's the thing. Under the hood, it's the same story. You've still got the 1.5-liter turbo, 200 horsepower, with either CVT or a 6-speed manual on the A-Spec. And if you're a driving enthusiast, the Type S is still here with its 320 horsepower 2.0 turbo, only with a 6-speed manual. No hybrid, no EV yet. Acura is sticking to what it does best: sporty, fun, gasoline performance. And this is where I want to hear from you. A lot of people say the Integra is just a Civic in disguise, but if you ask me, it's more about how it makes you feel. It's the details, the personality, the driving experience that sets it apart. What do you think? Is the 2026 Integra a worthy update, or just another facelift? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing your perspective. If you enjoyed spending these few minutes with me, and you want to keep up with the latest car releases, reviews, and real conversations, not just specs on paper, then please give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Your support is what keeps this channel alive and growing. Together, we're building a community of car lovers who see beyond the brochure numbers. Thanks for watching, my friend. Stay tuned because the next review is going to be even more exciting.